Hey, welcome back to my channel. My name is James and I am a hobby scrapper. And in today's video, oh, I'm sorry. I was not expecting a phone call. Pardon me for a moment. Hello? Yeah, this is Scrap It All. You got some scrap? Heck yeah, I would love it. Vintage. Oh, wow. I can come right now. Well, thank you so much. I'll see you in a moment. Well, hey, you guys want to go get some scrap with me? Well, I was going to show you one of these. This is a GFCI breaker. So just remove the screws in the back. Remove these screws. Sometimes they're brass, sometimes they're brass-coated steel, so check with your magnet. You're going to have brass inside. And just get that other cover off of there. You have a spool of copper. We got silver contacts. There's a coil of copper there. There's brass. There's a IC chip. There's copper inside of there. So yeah. Anyways, let's go get that vintage scrap. Oh my gosh, I am so excited. I cannot wait. We need to get going. Oh my gosh, maybe I should slow down. Well, we're almost there anyways. Well, it's kind of hard to see, but there is some goodies back here. All that stuff. There's some stuff there. Taking some of this stuff. Yeah, it's kind of hard to see. It's so dark in here. There's a motor. It's just some old equipment. Oh my, that is heavy. Well, I don't know what it is, but that darn thing is heavy, and that's going to be fun to scrap. Heck yeah. That looks very similar to the other one, and this one says on the top it's a narrow band analyzer. Not quite as heavy as what I just showed you, though. Well, there's a truckload full of goodies. There's so much more to go through. I'll go through some of this, and I'll go through some of this with y'all and show you some of the good stuff. Of course, I'm going to be scrapping a lot of this on video. What is that? I don't know. We'll have to get a closer look. Some circuit boards in there. And it was all free. Yeah. Beautiful day. Really beautiful day. Ooh, look at that. Ain't that pretty? And yes, that is a spool of copper wire. Well, nothing new, just a few more things added at the end here. So much stuff. Look at that old Miller welder. That is cool. Yeah, this thing, whatever that thing is, was built and shipped here from England. That's crazy. Just so much machine work. Oh, check out this. It's gonna be kind of dark, but that is a spool of brass wire. And these machines go as well, but they are super heavy. Sorry, it's kind of hard to record There's no power in here, and there's tripping hazards everywhere. So much stuff. This is just like being a kid in a candy store. Oh man, that is heavy. That thing must weigh, I don't know. That's got to be at least 80 pounds. That says audio voltage standard. Huh, this should be interesting. TV alignment generator. Huh. Wow. Not sure what that is. Wow, that little box is heavy. That's, man, 10 pounds or something. Hewlett-Packard. Wow. Gotta be something good in here, I would think. Okay, we got whatever that thing is. Well, we all know what that is. Transformer. More than meets the eye. These things, what does that say? System DC power supply. Those are really heavy. Those are going to be fun to scrap. Now let's see, we got an electric motor. Well, we're making progress. As you can see, we're getting unloaded here. What is that? Ultrasonic therapy unit. Huh. These two are the same. It says ultrasound on it. Interesting. And what's inside of here? It's just some sort of little toolbox. That's kind of cool. That? NASA? Oh my. We got some outer space stuff here? What is this? Is this a camera, how they take pictures of Earth? I don't know. Interesting. And that is a wave analyzer. Man, there's just some really cool stuff here. This, to me, this is like Christmas. All this micro scrapping, I'm gonna have so much fun. I think that's just another backup power supply. And we got whatever this thing is. Not too exciting on the circuit boards, but that's okay. What's in the box? Boeing Aerospace Group. Huh. Well, let's see. All right. Huh? That's kind of cool. What is that? Audio Research Corp? That doesn't tell me what it is. Don't look too fancy inside. That's okay. Hard disk system. And sorry about the shadows. 50-watt power amplifier. Can we see inside here? Oh, there's some goodies in there. We are making progress. Okay, more goodies. Not sure what that thing is. There's two of them though. Has some sort of microphone? Huh. Well, nothing too exciting about that, although those are gold coated down there. Just another power supply. Another one of those big boxes. There's some really kind of cool lights in there. And again, that thing is so heavy. My poor back. Oh boy. What is that? Electronic counter. Yeah, I don't really know what most of this stuff is. Ultra low distortion power amplifier. Well, that's going to be fun to scrap. It's got to have some good copper in there. There's a few other goodies in there. That thing, I'm not sure what it is, but it's heavy. Another power supply. That's some sort of old computer type thing. Well, there's all the stuff all piled up and ready for me to scrap it all. That was really awesome. I had so much fun with that. It's like, I don't know, treasure hunting. So yeah, if you see anything in here particular that you want to see in a video, let me know. I know there's definitely some pieces I already have picked out in mind. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. I'll try to do more videos of me picking up scrap. It's just kind of hard because a lot of people don't really want their property being recorded. I totally get it. But I'll try to do what I can do, and let me know if you enjoy this kind of videos. All right, well, I just want to say thank you so much. And what I'm going to do this weekend is Memorial Day here in the United States of America. So I would like to take a moment of silence to honor all the men and women who gave it all, sacrificed their lives to preserve our freedom in the great country of the United States of America. God bless you all, and I'll see you in the next video.